Does Meta keep declining your payment method? Well, in this video, I'm gonna go through how you fix this problem because it could be a variety of things, but it's pretty easy to resolve when you know how. Now, unfortunately, this process can be very frustrating, so stick with it. You may have to contact your bank, you may have to engage a Meta support professional, or you could simply need to try a different payment method, but I'm going to take you through the options, so let's go. So declined is Meta's catch-all. Sometimes it's your bank blocking the charge, sometimes it's a mismatch in your billing details, and sometimes Meta flags risk and just freezes billing on that particular card or even your entire account. So first, check that you don't have any outstanding invoices with Meta. It's really, really simple to do. Just go into the billing section. Now, even if you don't have any outstanding invoices on this Ads Manager account, if that same card that you're trying to use has outstanding invoices on another Meta Ads account, it will still be flagged and blocked. It could also be that your personal profile is flagged within Meta, so any card linked to you may be blocked. And this is the most common reason that we find. Now, secondly, it could be that your bank is actually blocking the transactions as potential fraud. So if you think it could be your bank, just get in touch with them and tell them to authorize the payment. Sometimes your bank will want to send you verification codes and you're simply too slow to input the code into the system, which it then flags as suspicious either at the bank side or Facebook side, and it blocks the payment. Now, research shows that 90% of payment methods being declined are due to a mismatch with the billing address. It's so stupid and simple, but if your card is registered to your business address and you input into the system your home address, you'll almost certainly be declined. Now, if these things don't work, your next step is to link the payment method to your bank account, so remove the cards from the process. Meta will send a very small transaction to your bank account with a payment reference code. So you need to have access to your bank account so you can retrieve the code and submit it into the system. This is what a lot of our clients do who spend lots and lots, tens of thousands a month on ads. If all of that fails, unfortunately, you need to speak to Meta support professional and clearly explain your problem so they can escalate it to the specialized team. It used to be called the internal review team. These people can resolve things. Sometimes these things are just system glitches and the specialized team need to manually override the system to get things moving. Unfortunately, that's all you can really do other than just trying new cards. But if you troubleshoot the issue in the way that I've described, I'm sure that you will work it out. So don't forget to like and subscribe, not just for quick fixes like this, but for advice on how to really make money for your business with Facebook ads. And we'll see you next time.